What's going on? Crypto Richie here hanging out, and this is going to be one expensive video because I'm about to buy one of these things and send it to a wallet address called the Sacrifice address. If we take a look at DegenTown on Twitter, let me go back to the top here, DegenTown. Okay, we got 39,000 followers. There is a narrative going around. It's been brewing for the past couple days. 3 hours ago, it says you have 20 hours left to join the sacrifice. So in 17 hours, this thing is going to end. Basically, people are buying these things, okay, and they're basically having you send it. Listen to this: 100 degens have been sacrificed. Degens have been sacrificed. The sacrifice will not go in vain. Those who sacrifice, let me make this bigger for you, will be rewarded. So people don't know what the heck is going to happen. Are you degen enough? Here's the address. So basically, you're supposed to copy this and send your NFT to this address. Okay, the sacrifice shall begin tonight. Are you degen enough to follow us? Here's a little gift that they got. If we play this little recording here, and it's a little scary because this could be a pump and dump. There's really no audio right now, but it reminds me of Goblin Town. Goblin Town had these little, these Skype little chats here and the audios, and, they had goblins cooking moonbirds.
Hello, Degens. All the pieces of the puzzle are falling into place. The Degens are coming together. The revolution is starting. They're scared. Real scared. Let's make them shit their pants. Tell everyone about this revolution. We will take over. I promise. Be strong and be many. News dropping soon.
So that was one little audio. If we take a look at this breaking, DegenTownNFT is the biggest profile picture mover in the past 24 hours. The floor literally went from 3 to 14, 15 now in days. Here's another recording. One of them was just rain, like a bunch of rain. This one I don't hear anything. Here.
New. Something different. Something bigger than you ever expected. We are the makers of a new world. Put up.
So, look, nobody knows what's going to happen. Okay, they're just giving out some clues. What's going to happen. It seems like, people are into it. Let's go back to trading volume here. Refresh, 14.99 is the floor. So that comes out to about $515 at today's price of SOL. How much is SOL right now? $35. So if we go 35 times 15, we're looking at $525 in SOL. That's if you bought SOL at 35 today and then bought one of these things. I got some SOL at $32.28. A few, I've been DCAing over the past couple weeks, but I did get into SOL last year at around these prices. I know it went up to $250. But here's what we're going to do super quickly, because I am a degen, okay, and I want to make this video cool for you. Let me know what you're doing. Are you bullish on this? Did you sacrifice? Are you bullish? What do you think of this whole thing? It's crazy. All of this NFT stuff is crazy. This, who knows? We can get rugged, sending an NFT to their address, and we could get rewarded. That's what they're saying. That's what people are hoping for, right? I guess let's see. So in the name of making this video, I will buy one right now. Okay, I have one that I bought for 7.5 ETH, but maybe we'll just buy this one. Okay, 14.8. Approve it. Hopefully it goes through. It just popped up. 69.85 ranking. Looks like he has a tomato head. Looks like it went through. So if we take a look at my profile here, and if we see, here's the two that I got, I will send my lower ranking one to that address, and I will make a follow-up video on this. Alright, so I'm going to go to my Solana wallet. Number one, I'm going to click on my NFT. I'm going to click on, not my primate, I'm going to click on my Degen. He didn't pop up yet. I should have two of them in here. Maybe I have to wait a bit, or maybe he's here. Here he is. Okay, so I got two of these guys. I'm going to keep this guy. I'm going to send this one. Okay, I'm going to make sure I have the correct address here. Copy. Alright, I'm going to go back to my Phantom wallet. Make sure this thing loads. We're going to go back to my NFTs. Click on this dude. Click on this dude. Send him. Here's the address. And let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Alright, let me know what you're doing. Comment down below. Let me know if you think I'm crazy. Am I insane? We did it. I'm going to take a screenshot of this actually. And we're going to post this on Twitter as well. But I did it. We sent it. It's gone. It's gone. Okay, I literally just paid 15 Solana for this thing and I sent it out. It's gone. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted on follow-up video. Let me know what you're doing. Are you sacrificing yours? Let me know. Comment below. Anyway, it's Tony Crypto Richie here hanging out with you. If you want to learn how to make money with NFTs, don't do what I just did. Sign up to my newsletter here at cryptowaters.com by clicking the link down below or in the little YouTube card thing that pops up on the video here. Click that. Come here. It's a free newsletter. I do a lot of flipping on Ethereum, some on Sol. Did pretty good with Sol Punks on Solana, and I still play around on Solana. And I also play around with DeFi and other altcoins and crypto. Made a lot of money. Bought a $1 million house here in Hawaii with crypto. Basically, helped me funded it. I didn't pay it all for crypto. I didn't use all crypto to pay for it. Some of it, you know, part of my down payment. And it's pretty awesome if you know what you're doing. So it's Tony here hanging out with you. Like the video, share, subscribe, and let me know what you're doing with these things because I just sent mine out and it's gone. Talk to you later. Peace.